If your current electric kettles leach harmful chemicals like BPA into your water from plastic components, this Hazel Quinn Retro Electric Kettle features 100% food grade 304 stainless steel interior, lid, and filter with zero plastic contact with water. Triple safety protection includes auto shutoff when boiling, when lifted from base and prevents dry boiling. The 1200-watt power quickly boils 1.7 liters in 4 to 5 minutes, while thermometer dial shows precise temperature for different beverages. Cordless operation with 360-degree swivel base accommodates both left and right hand users.